Hello and welcome to Captain Clumsy's 5 top tips for keeping your bike in good condition over the winter months. Let's get to it. Tip number 1, get some fuel stabiliser in. So before that, top your tank up near to the top as you can. 2, get some fuel stabiliser, not that stuff you get buying B&Q, that's too expensive. Get some stuff off the internet. This is what I use, no connection with the company or the brand. Fuel cap off, keep that safe. Right, instructions on this, 30ml for 9.5 litres. This tank takes 12, it's pretty well full, and I'm going to add a little bit more, so 30ml will do 9.5, so I'm going to do 40 mils. Filling up the mixer, so we're just over 30 here. Ideal. Let's get it in the tank. Doesn't matter if you get a little bit extra in. Now clean off any overspill, although we will be cleaning the tank anyway later properly. Tank cap back on. Now there we go. It's a bit of an art with the BSA. Get the tank cap off. Right, next instruction. Run bike for 5 minutes to bring the stabiliser round the system, and then that's it. So wait till the hand points to 11:45 and I'll start it. Right, coming up to 11:45, let's start this engine. Oh, quick tip, you really should be wearing gloves for this, and I will be wearing gloves for later on. Ignition on. Wait for the management light to go out. Bike's in neutral. Right, we're coming up to 10:2. So, time to turn the engine off. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And that should be it. Now, this wasn't done for the purposes of warming up the bike. No, that's done by more extensive testing. But we should have all the fuel stabiliser in the system now. So that's tip number 1, fuel stabiliser. Next, get your bike washed. I'm going to have to wait till it cools down a little bit because the exhaust will be very hot. Thanks for watching tip number 1 in my series of winter maintenance videos. Steps 2 to 5 will be along very shortly. Please like, comment and subscribe, particularly the latter, as we're now approaching 1,500 subscribers. I'd like to get to that as soon as possible. And yes, next, watch the playlist or binge watch the whole lot. Thanks for watching.